Hey guys, welcome. I'd like to thank you for joining this course on building a profitable Udemy business. So what we're going to be talking about today in this course is I'm going to show you how I've been using simple video courses. I'm talking 30-40 minutes long, nothing too complicated to make to generate high five figures, and also how I've been able to crank out these courses extremely fast. So if you didn't know already, Udemy is a platform where you get to post video courses, right? So you do have to produce video courses yourself, upload them on Udemy, and then what happens is you get to sell them, and it requires no marketing. The Udemy has already a huge base of students that come back every single month, and so all you need to do is you need to get your course in front of these people's eye. You don't need a list to promote, you don't need to be running paid ads, none of that. Udemy is going to do all of that for you. All you need to do is produce the video and make sure that people are going to buy it. So how does Udemy work? Well, you get to post, as I've said, video courses on the platform. They need to be at least 30 minutes long, and I'm going to be showing you some of my results here. I've been on Udemy for a little while, and as you can see, I've generated over $16,000 on Udemy. And what happens is, let me show you my instructor dashboard. So whenever you release a class on Udemy, you're going to be put into a pool of teachers, and when someone buys your course, you're going to be getting 50% of the total price. So we're going to be creating simple courses. I'm going to show you how to get ideas for courses, how to record courses using only free software. So we're not going to go out of pocket here to make this work. And I'm going to show you how to easily convert students. As you can see, some of my courses earn me $260, some $220. Do keep in mind now, the average time it takes me to create one of those courses is actually about an hour, right? So all of these is some pretty cool earnings. I have courses that have generated me as much as $2,000 if I recall correctly. So there you go. Now I'm going to, again, to show you the entire process here, creating a course, getting the course up, making sure that people actually buy the course, and making sure that you get traffic, that your course ranks, and then we're going to go all the way, and hopefully you can earn up to $3,000 per month, as I have